Hello and good morning, students. So, today in English we are going to study parts of speeches. What are the parts of speeches? The question arises, what are the part of speeches? How can we understand what are the part of speeches? So, the part of speeches are having basically 8 parts of speech are there, which we call the part of speeches. The first part is noun. What is the first part? Noun. So, noun is the name of any person, place or thing. Basically, noun is a naming word. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. So, name of any person, place or thing is called noun. The second part of speech is pronoun. What is the second part of speech? It is pronoun. So what is pronoun? Pronoun is the word which is used in the place of noun. The words which we use in the place of noun are called pronouns. Third part of speech is adjectives. What are the adjectives? Adjectives describes about the noun are called adjectives. The words which describes about the nouns are called adjectives. The fourth part of the speech is verb. What are verbs? So, the verbs are the action words. The words which describes the action are called verbs. The fourth part of speech is adverb. So, what are the adverbs? Adverbs tells us about how often and when, where. It can describe about verb, adjective, okay. So next part of speech is preposition. What are prepositions? Prepositions are used before nouns, pronouns to show the place, time and direction in a sentence. Next is conjunction. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the words which are used to join a sentence, like yeah, because, yet, therefore. Now next and the last part of speech is interjection. Interjection expresses the strong feelings. Interjections are always followed by the interjection exclamatory mark. Exclamation mark is always there with the interjection. So here in this given diagram here you are able to see noun, verb, interjection, adverb, conjunctions, pronoun, adjectives, prepositions and interjections shown in the picture. So what is the first part of speech? The first part of speech is noun. So what we are going to study today? We are going to study today nouns. What are nouns? So bacha, as from the class 1 we are studying about noun. What are the nouns? Nouns are the naming words. The words which tells us about the name of any person, place or thing are called noun. But the noun is basically divided into 5 parts. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So firstly we are in the picture you are able to see common noun. So the name of the common person, place or thing is called common noun. Here in the picture you can see beta, all the common things given, whatever all the common things are there, they all are called the common nouns. Like butterfly, elephant, orange, mango, human, hairspray, car. These all are the examples of common noun. Now next is proper noun. What are proper nouns? So proper nouns are the name of the particular person, place or thing. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Like Australia is the name of a particular country, Jupiter is the name of a planet, Titanic is the name of a ship, Bible is the name of a book. Okay? Santa Claus is the name of a icon, King Charles is the name of a person. So when the particular names are there, They are called the proper nouns. Then the third type of noun is collective noun. What are the collective nouns? In the picture, see the colorful picture, you are able to see the proper nouns. Dynasty of kings, tribes of natives, the dot of lecturers, pack of thieves or the gang of thieves, the flock of tourists, team of workers, choir of singers, giggle of girls, class of students, circle of friends, colony of penguins, pride of lions, catch of fish, or school of fish, or shoal of fish, pot of fish, all we can say, flock of sheep, zoo of wild animals, goggle of geese, giggle of geese, swarm of bees, an army of ants, a cloud of cats, parade of elephants, bunch of flowers, forest of trees, galaxy of stars, comb of bananas, bouquet of flowers, jar of honey, can of soda. These are for the collective nouns. Pack of cards, cup of tea, set of books or library of books. These words we use for the collective noun. Now next is material noun. So in the picture you are able to see toothpaste, jewelry, money, rain, glass, wheat, coal. These are the name of the materials. So they are called the material nouns. Now the abstract noun. So here in the picture you are able to see a few things which we are there in the stationaries or the office suppliers. So these are just few the materials for the example. Now last but not the least is the abstract noun. So the feeling, the emotion or the feeling which we cannot touch, we can only feel, is called the abstract noun, like the bravery, friendship, the health, wealth, knowledge, excitement, anger. They are all the certain feelings. All are called the